you know, research in my own head, if you know what I'm saying.
All right.
And check this out. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. I'll open the door in a sec. Listen. Here's the crazy part, Rami.
Yeah.
The crazy part is, based on the research I did, the strain and the purity of the meth we have is dependent on the individual and the key.
What does that mean?
What it means is, this key that I have that says Optimus Prime, it could be the best key, the best strain, but we need to get a batch out and see if our shit is pure. If we have the best
so
one,
maybe
everyone else is a shit.
Maybe the shit that the reason why it was less potent is because maybe they got a shit strand or some shit.
It's open. Yeah, listen. If